So I was talking about how you shouldn't negotiate with people who are doing you evil. Okay. So I was like, imagine going through an event caused by these people. Hmm? It's a very terrible event, right? Which would have negative and terrible results. Okay. And then you don't look at it from a place of negativity. You don't look at it from the place that they really hoped and wished and wanted you to look at it from. Rather, you come with the vision of your higher self. You come with positivity. You say, okay, they have cost me turmoil, they have cost me great pains. However, I am in control of my life. I am the one that decides how I will look at this event. I will give this event a message. I will give it a lesson. I will draw my own message into it and I will take out from it what I want to because I am in control. I am the architect of my life. I decide how I will react to things thrown at me because everything is designed for my highest good. So you thought that you came at me with all that bullshit? But honey, you just did something that is for my highest good. You just did something that I can turn around and watch me because I will do that. I will turn it around. I will make it mine. You work for me. You work for me. I am the God in this situation right now. I will decide everything that happens. So I'm going to react differently. I'm going to cause you to see that you've wasted your damn time coming at me. Who the hell you think you are anyway? So I'm not negotiating with you. I'm not showing you that okay, I'm so timid, I'm so shy, I'm timid, I haven't got any power within me. So okay, I don't want you to hurt me anymore. So sorry, I'll accept what you've thrown at me and I will just go and tell you that I accept it. So don't come at me anymore. So just be kind to me. I'll be a good girl. I'll be a good boy. I'll do what you want because I just want to get something little out of it. Just don't disturb me anymore. Like, who the heck do you think you are? Who are you? We're not doing that no more. So take it. Embrace the problems. Embrace the situation. Embrace everything that throw at you because you are the architect of your life. You're wasting your damn time thinking you can come at me like that. Mm-hmm. All right. I hope after watching this video, you get so empowered to, take your power back from them. Just sit down and relax and watch how they help you create the dream life. Watch how they help you get stronger, get mighty out of all the problems. They say what don't kill you make you stronger. Yeah, and that's because I am aware that I can turn everything around. You want to try me? You see? You'll see. So, go into the world today. Go in the midst of those causing you great pains and show them that they work for you. You are their boss. All right? Don't let them get to you. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe for more.